Hey guys, welcome back to Up Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Alamo car rental review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, Alamo here, or Alamo Car Rental, operates under the Massive Enterprise Holdings umbrella, sharing its fleet with Enterprise and National. But it positions itself as an ultimate go-to brand for budget-conscious families and leisure vacationers. Now, the way it works is fundamentally designed to remove the stress of picking up a car at PC airport hubs. You reserve your vehicle class online, and Alamo here gives you a choice between pay now for a upfront discount or a flexible pay later rate. Now, when you arrive at the airport here, you completely bypass the standard human sales agent here. Instead, Alamo heavily utilizes self-service touchscreen kiosk right in the garage to handle your contract. Swipe your credit card for a standard security deposit here and print your pass. Now, looking at the main advantages here that you may want to know here, well, Alamo here is generally or Alamo here is legendary for its open lot policy, often called the Alamo choice. Instead of an agent assigning you a specific parking space here, they point you to a designated row, such as the midsize SUV section, and let you physically choose any exact vehicle you want from what is parked there. Now, complete with the keys already waiting in the ignition. Additionally, their free loyalty program, Alamo Insiders, gives you an instant flat of 5% discount on every single rental with zero confusing point tracking math. Now, on the downside here, not every platform is going to be perfect. There are some downsides or cons. Now, because it targets vacationers, customer service lines at the automated kiosk can stack up heavily during major holiday weekends when flight arrivals surge simultaneously. Now, some people who use the service also note that Alamo here is incredibly strict regarding its return clock, enforcing a rigid of 29-minute grace period before hitting your account with the hefty hourly late fees. Now, to beat the system here, you need to use two powerful insider secrets. First is you need to always activate their free online features called the skip the counter option. Now, if you enter your driver's license and credit card info at least 24 hours in advance, the app bypasses both the main desk and the garage kiosk entirely here. Now, you walk straight off your plane, pick any car from your row, and drive directly to the exit gate agent. Now, second, if you don't care what you drive, look for their hidden online rate options called the Drive Happy Deal. Alamo heavily discounts this mystery class, guaranteeing you a minimum of a compact vehicle at rock bottom pricing. But if the lot is running low on small cars, when you land, they are contractually forced to hand you the keys to a premium full size vehicle or crossover for the exact same cheap price. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.